I was just driving along here and I saw on the side of the road a beehive here. Somebody was cutting a tree down, and it was in town here, and as you can see, this beehive was cut open in a tree. I don't know where the other half of it is, the other part of it, but there's still some bees in it. It's really interesting. You know, you don't see that. That's kind of horrible. All them honeybees and all this honey got smushed. Look right there, some. Tastes pretty good. Let's see here. There's some honey in the honeycomb. Look at that honey filled up with that. Ugh. Look at all that honey in there. That's some good honey. Too bad I ain't a bear. Wow. Very interesting. Never got to see one up close like this before. Cool. Cool. See if I can see down in there real good. Yep, the bees are still working.